Okay, so since Miss Kirk is out again today, before you start your activity, we need to go over some notes. So everyone should have gotten a sheet of paper that says what is heat. So heat is a measurement of the movement of particles of matter. Heat is a measurement of the movement of particles of matter. Heat is the measurement of the movement of particles of matter. The faster they are moving, the more heat or thermal energy they have. So the faster they are moving, the more heat or thermal energy they have. So a substance that is really hot means that the particles are moving very fast. But the slower the particles are moving, the less heat it has. So cold objects have very slow moving particles. Temperature is a measurement of heat or thermal energy. Temperature is the measurement of heat or thermal energy in an object. There are 3 ways to measure temperature. It is measured in the United States using Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit. It is measured using Celsius, and it's measured using Kelvin. Fahrenheit, Celsius, Kelvin. Temperature is independent of how much matter there is. So there are 3 different ways that heat can be transferred from one object to the next. You read about these yesterday in that passage that you read. So the first type is conduction, then convection, and radiation. In Google Classroom, you will notice there are 3 videos that Ms. Heron posted. There's one for each. There's also a PowerPoint that has notes in it if you'd like to look at that. But when you get done with the notes, you're going to go into Google Classroom and watch those videos as you do your activity for today. So conduction means transfer of heat between substances that are in direct contact. That means they have to be touching each other. So some examples would be if you grab the handle of a hot pan. When you walk barefoot on concrete during the summer, you can feel the warmth underneath your feet. You are ironing clothes. The heat is going from your iron to your clothes. Usually you can feel the clothes, which is, again, conduction, and it's going to be warm. So we're going to draw 2 boxes that are touching. The next one's convection. Thermal energy is transferred from hot places to cold places. So if you think of when you're boiling water, the heat is moving from the stove into the cool water that you have. When you're heating a room, the room is cold and then it's getting warmer. It warms the room up. The last one's radiation. Heat is transmitted through empty space with electromagnetic waves. It's like a microwave. Gives off those waves. Warmth from the sun. The sun sends thermal rays down. A campfire, opening the oven door. So I'm going to draw waves. So like I said, there's three videos in your Google Classroom that Ms. Herron posted, as well as a PowerPoint that you can look through. If the videos are blocked for some reason, I did try to unblock them, but if for some reason they're still blocked, you may Google or go to YouTube and search for one of them and do like you usually do in order to watch your videos that you love to watch. And then you can watch them. They're all from the same person, so once you find one of them, you should be able to find all three. So make sure that you're doing what you're supposed to do and glued this notes page in your science journal, and then work on the cut and paste activity. When you finish that matching activity, you need to make sure and have that turned in, just like the passage from yesterday, because it will be graded. Have a good day.